Hello, welcome to the installation video of Growatt Neo 800M-X microinverter. The installation video consists of 3 sections, which are product introduction, microinverter installation, and Neo microinverter network configuration. The first section is product introduction. Growatt Neo 800M-X microinverter is optimal for balcony PV system with 2 solar panels. With integrated Wi-Fi module, can Neo 800M-X be quick installed? The status of each solar panel can be conveniently monitored through the ShinePhone app. Before we start the installation, we would like to give you a brief introduce some key features of our Neo 800M-X microinverter. The max continuous output power is 800 VA. It has 2 independent MPP tracks, which means that it is able to be connected with 2 individual PV modules and supports panel-level monitoring. The wide input DC voltage range means that PV system has a longer working hours. Input current is up to 18 amperes, so it is able to be compatible with high-power module. It supports IP67 protection degree and anti-islanding protection. The integrated Wi-Fi module make it easy to installation and configuration. It supports online maintenance remotely. Section 2. Microinverter installation. The Neo microinverter is with compact design easy to install. The lower right corner of the microinverter is the indicator light. At the upper left corner is the AC output connector. The Wi-Fi module is in the middle of the bottom. There are 2 independent DC connectors on the bottom of the inverter. A QR code for Wi-Fi configuration is on upper left corner. The screw hole in the middle of the handle is for grounding wire. 2 mounting holes are on both sides of the handle. The handle is in the upper middle of the inverter. After unboxing the package of the microinverter, and you will find a microinverter accessories for installation and installation guide. In accessories, you can find a PV connector dust cap, mounting screw, AC cable disconnect tool. To begin, identify a suitable installation location based on your design and mark the location on the rail. Securely fasten the screw at the marked location on the rail. Next, place the microinverter on the rail and tighten the screws to secure it in place. Please measure the PV negative and positive voltage to make sure a right connection. Then you can connect the PV panels with microinverter. An 5 meters long AC cable is special designed by Growatt for Neo 800M-X. Connect the AC connector of the microinverter to the AC adapter cable. Then plug the AC adapter cable to the socket to wire it to the local grid network. After inverters successfully connect to grid, the indicator light blinks low green. Now, we will come to the final part of the installation, Neo series network configuration. Use your smartphone to download the ShinePhone app for configuration. The first step is to log in your account, then create your plant and input the plant information. Then you need to scan the QR code on the front of Neo. Next step is to connect the microinverter with home Wi-Fi. Once all installation steps have been completed, you can find the device in your plant and the inverter working data.